The genotype ratio for the dihybrid cross is 1:2:1:4:2:1:2:1. See the possible gene expression. Now, on the basis of this experiment, the laws of inheritance from the monohybrid cross as derived by Mendel is, number one, we call it as the law of dominance. That means in a heterozygous pair of factors, as for example capital T small t, one member of the pair express itself. That means capital T is dominant over small t. That means the other remains suppressed or recessive, small t. Now Mendel thought that when he has taken in the monohybrid cross a pair of contrasting character, that means in the F1 generation he got only tall plant. Now that means where this dwarf plant's existence gone. So in F2 generation he saw that yes, he has got one dwarf plant also. So on the basis of that he has given law of segregation, which states that when a pair of contrasting characters are involved in a cross, the two members of a pair of factors, they never mix up. That means tall and dwarf, they are never mixed up but remain segregated through subsequent generations. In some of the generation, maybe tall is dominant over the dwarf plant, but in subsequent generation we will definitely get dwarf plant. That means none of the characters are mixed up. They remain segregated through subsequent generation. Now based on dihybrid cross, he has given law of independent assortment, which states that when two pairs of contrasting characters are combined, in dihybrid cross we have taken two pairs of contrasting characters. Here segregation of one pair of character is independent of the other pair of character. That means capital R, small, capital Y, as they are dominant, but small r, small y, they are also been segregated in subsequent generation. That means the pair of characters are independently expressed in subsequent generations.